Just take those old records off the shelf.